In the previous video, we have taken our time to explain the matrix multiplication, the matrix inverse. Are you aware that we can also determine the determinant of a matrix in Microsoft Excel? Yes, we can. Equals MDET. You can see return the matrix determinant of an array. You double click and highlight this. Shift Ctrl Enter, you have your result. So the determinant of this matrix A is 524. That's the determinant of this matrix A. As simple as that. Det of A. Determinant of matrix A. So we can also determine the determinant of matrix B. Just by using the MDET, we're going to highlight on the matrix B, Shift Ctrl Enter, and you have the determinant. What about the determinant for matrix AB? Using the MDETERM, you highlight and you press Shift Ctrl Enter and you have the result. So this is how you can also determine the determinant of a matrix. I hope you have learned something new beyond using Microsoft Excel for data analytics. You can also use it for mathematical computations which involve matrices. Like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.